Great, so what we need to do is actually form your kombucha culture or form your Scoby to actually start brewing kombucha in the first place. There's a number of different ways of doing this. The easiest actually is to grab a bottle of real kombucha. You can simply crack open a bottle, you can drink one of them, grab another one, and actually decant it into a glass. So simply by just decanting it into a glass and leaving it on your kitchen top, sealed with some muslin cloth, for example, for a number of weeks, will actually produce your own Scoby. That's as simple as it goes. What will be happening in this process is the small amount of sugar left within our kombucha will actually start working with the yeast that's naturally in here and the bacteria. And those bacteria will slowly over time form its own Scoby. So you'll have a miniature version of a Scoby in this glass within a week or two. That you can then use to brew your kombucha. That's one way of doing it. And it's quite a novel and easy way to do it. Another way of actually doing it is to go online and actually go onto a number of different websites which will sell starter kits. That starter kit will have a fresh Scoby already pre-prepared for you, which you can buy and you can start brewing your kombucha already. Two very simple ways, but one a little bit more difficult, one which obviously you can do at home and grow and see actually the Scoby growing itself. So to find out more about brewing kombucha, go to the Kilner website for hints, tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.